You're off rest. Here, don't let it.
Florida sheriff's deputies broke a car's rear window to rescue a dog trapped in the heat. Body cam footage shared by the Pinellas County Sheriff's Office shows deputies smashing the window to reach the dog, which had been left in the vehicle for 30 to 45 minutes. With outside temperatures at 31 degrees Celsius, the inside of the car had reached 49 degrees Celsius. After rescuing the dog, deputies provided water and took it to animal control, where it was found to be okay. The owners were later charged with animal cruelty. If you find a pet alone in a parked car, call 911 or local animal protection officers immediately.